Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video I thought I'd make a follow-up on the keyboard cover for the MacBook Pro M1 chip. It's very similar to the M2 and M3, and a lot of the questions in the comments of the videos were, does it scratch the screen, and how does the screen fare, and this is that video. So the first video was made in February 22nd, 2022, and that's when I first bought this and tested it out with a different brand, and I stuck with this brand. So the product will be in the description below. And then 7 months later, I made another video on September 18, 2022, saying that it's still good. I still get comments on whether it's good or not, and if it scratches the screen. So in this video, I wanted to show that we're now in November 9, 2023, more than a year from the date I purchased it. And my screen today, I decided to clean it with a wipe cloth along with a wet wipe to see if there's any scratches or dings on the monitor. And after doing that, you guys can see the screen is still good. So for those comments, if you still have any concerns or questions, leave them in the comments below. I just wanted to reply to some of the questions down below. If you did have problems, I'd like to see some pictures just to see how yours fared. And quick video. Wanted to clear up my case on my screen protector and taking it off. I haven't taken it off since, but taking it off now, the keyboard is still really in pristine condition. A really fast video. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.